Welcome to Let's Do English. In this video, we will learn about consonant blends. I want to take this time to thank all my subscribers who have been supporting me all throughout this journey. For those that are new here or returning and haven't yet subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and press the notification bell for all the latest updates. Let us get started.
A consonant blend is when we blend two or more consonants to form a particular sound. A consonant blend can appear at the beginning, middle, or at the end of a word. Now, a consonant cluster is when we have a word that has two or more consonants in a row. And in this video, we will learn how to blend two-letter consonant sounds and three-letter consonant sounds. The first consonant cluster that we have on our list is B, R. B makes the B sound, R makes the sound. Now let's start blending. B, burr, bur, ick, break. Z, brr, zebra. Bur, bread. B, bull, bull, black. K, bull, cable. Bull, blue. K, cur, cur, cream. S, cur, up, s, cur, up, scrub. Cur, crate. K, coal, ass, class. Cycle, cycle. Cool, out, cloud. D, dir, ah, draw. Dr, drum. Chill, children. F, fur, og, frog. Fur, fry. Lake, front, lakefront. F, full, hour, flower. Full, flag. Full, fly. G, gur, in, green. Graduate, graduate. Grass, grass. G, go, globe, globe. Go, glass. Eagle, eagle. Per, eyes, prize. On, prawn. Spur, inkler, sprinkler. Pull, play. Purple, purple. Pull, ant, plant. Sk, 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 skull. sk, ale, scale. D, sk, hour, discover.
sk, 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 e, ski, sk, I, sky.
Mask, mask. S, l, sl, sleep, sleep. Eyes, slice. Eyed, slide. Sm, sm, I'll, smile. Ethics, cosmetics. Art, smart. Sn, ale, snail. Snow. Axe, snacks. Sp, sp, spa. Wasp. Pass, passport. St, st, star. Nest, nest. Taste, taste. Sw, sw, and swan. Swing. Be, axe, beeswax. Er, tur, ain, train. See, us, citrus. Pe, all, petrol. W, tw, ins, twins. Twig, twig. Twine, twine. Now let us look at the three-letter consonant words. S makes a S sound, C makes a K, R makes a sound. Screen, screen. Scrub, scrub.
The next on our list is S, P, and R. S makes a S sound, P makes a P, and R makes a sound. Spur, spur, A, spray. Spring, spring. Now let us look at S, P, and L. S makes a S sound, P makes a P sound, and L makes a L sound. Spill, ash, splash. The final one on our list is S, T, and R. S makes a S sound, T makes a T, R makes a sound. Stir, straw. Stream. We are here at the end of our video, and I hope you really enjoyed learning how to blend consonant sounds together. And if you did, click on the subscribe button and give this video a like, letting the YouTube fraternity know how much you like this content. Lastly, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow together as one big family, encouraging and empowering others with our knowledge. I will see you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay tuned.